Claire.
Let's dig in. I can't wait to try. Let me taste it. Honestly, I was not lucky enough to find the best teriyaki chicken place, or I have not tried enough. So hopefully this can be my new favorite. I can't wait to try. Wow. One more bite. Wow. Ready? Look at the size of fried chicken. Oh my gosh. Wow. 미쳤다. Oh my gosh. Looks like it just came out of a Japanese restaurant. It's super thick. Ready? Wow. 와, 대박. 진짜 맛있다. 괜찮다. Oh my god. 이거 자기 거. Yes. Ready? Oh my gosh. Ready? Oh my gosh! It's unbelievable! Ready? Yes. Wow. You gotta use your hands and break it down. 이렇게 부셔야 된다고. 이 맛이지. Here we go. Wow. It's so pretty, right? I'm so ready for this. 진짜 맛있어. Let me try the broth first. Ready? Ooh. Guys, look at this. 이건 좀 케이브 워머 같이 먹어줘야 제맛이야. 바게트 겉에 엄청 바삭한 거 봐봐. 오. I'm so ready. Cheers. Wow. This is something I've never tried it, so I'm really curious what it tastes like. Can't wait. Look at this crispy batter. Ready? Wow, looks super juicy and tender. This time, let me try the beauty of Korean fried chicken, this pickled radish. Let's see. 다시. Let me try it. Wow, look at this. I love the color. Wow. To fully enjoy this lunchbox, you gotta shake this like a bartender. Cheers! 와우. 나 원래 닭가슴살을 좋아해가지고 자기가 닭가슴살을 안 쓰고 허벅지살을 쓴다고 했었을 때 조금 그게 마음에 안 들긴 했는데 이게 소스랑 진짜 잘 어울리는 허벅지살이랑